Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin now, confirm oil and fittings, put on gloves and goggles, and verify the XDM is on a flat, stable surface. Once done, plug into the correctly rated outlet and confirm voltage matches the nameplate. Make sure the tank drain is closed and all hose connections are snug. Turn the main power to on, then flip the motor starter. Listen for smooth engagement. Your starting pressure build. Monitor for leaks and odd noises for the first 30 seconds. Now set the regulator to the tool's required PSI and keep the tank's max pressure in mind. Once done, open the tool valve and do brief test runs to confirm consistent output. Use the XDM's inline filter and drain condensate traps regularly to prevent water in the line. Make sure you respect the compressor's duty cycle, short bursts, not continuous high-load runs, and watch motor temperature. If pressure fluctuates, isolate the leak and retighten fittings before a prolonged operation. To finish, close tool valves, switch the motor OFF, and vent residual pressure from the hose before handling. Once done, open the tank drain and let condensate out, then wipe down and coil hoses for storage. Make sure to check oil level and top up per the XDM schedule. Inspect belts and fittings visually. If the compressor won't build pressure, stop immediately and check the belt tension, intake and discharge valves, and incoming power. That single check.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.